Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband is a hardcore griller. Rain or shine, snow or blazing sun, you will find him outside with his Blackstone. So I love to get him grilling accessories. Telling you that we are impressed with this Blackstone grill mat is an understatement. This mat is a great place to put all of your grilling items. You can put all your seasoning and your cooking utensils all in one handy place. We love that it fit perfectly on the side of his Blackstone, and it puddled all of the grease off of the spatula to keep everything clean and working effectively. Before, when he would grill, he would just set stuff on the side table and things would fall off, or they'd slide around, or they'd get greasy, and this mat is just perfect for keeping everything organized, in its place, and clean. Because of its heat-resistant material, we didn't have to worry about the spatula getting too hot and melting the mat. And when everything is said and done, cleanup was so simple and easy. All we did was roll up the mat and wipe it down with soap and water, or you can throw it in the dishwasher and enjoy your delicious burgers. Overall, we are very impressed with this grill mat from Find Law. It's durable, easy to clean, and makes grilling that much more enjoyable. And that's my point of view.